In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled due to suspicious activity. So here are some steps that you guys could take in order to resolve the issue. So number one is to wait the standard 24 to 48 hours. Snapchat often temporarily disables accounts due to suspicious activity, such as repeated login attempts or unusual activity, and most of the time just waiting 24 to 48 hours before trying to log in again can resolve the issue in many cases. But if that doesn't work for you, then what you could try doing is try unlocking your account. So you need to go ahead and just open up any web browser and look up Snapchat Unlock right over here. Then you want to go ahead and select on this link over here, and basically you need to log in with your username and your password and then select on unlock. This works if the restriction is at the device level, not the account level. And next up, you always want to go ahead and just check your internet in general. Make sure that you have stable internet connection, and sometimes when you're using things like mobile data, that could cause some issues. So you really want to make sure that whenever you're using Snapchat, you're using Wi-Fi, because sometimes mobile data can get a little bit funky and stuff like that. And this also goes with VPN. So if you're using a VPN, please disable it, because Snapchat may flag VPN usage as suspicious activity. So again, you just want to go ahead and keep that in mind. Another reason why you could be getting this issue is due to corrupted files in the app itself. So if you want to go ahead and clear out all the corrupted files, then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and open up the settings app, and this will work both on iOS and Android devices. But just go ahead and select on settings, then go to the search bar and type in apps right over here. And as I mentioned previously, this is going to work both on iOS and Android devices as well. Obviously, the UI is going to look slightly different, but the main principle is going to be the same thing. So eventually, you're going to get a list of a bunch of your apps, and you just want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Snapchat. And yes, guys, I know I have like so many different apps, but here it is. There you go. And then you want to go ahead and select on storage like so. And then you should see this option that does say clear cache, and that is going to delete all of the corrupted files in Snapchat and basically give it a fresh new start. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.